put you right back where you were.
I'm RJ Scaringe, CEO of Rivian Automotive. What you're looking at is our R1S. This is a 7-passenger 3-row SUV, delivers over 410 miles of range, very quick acceleration, 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. Very comfortable interior, very nice ride. Large front storage compartment, beautiful rear storage. And what we've done is we want to deliver a product that you can take on-road and off-road.
That's very nice. How long it's going to take the battery? You tell me, and then the size of
410 miles of range. And this is a 180 kilowatt-hour pack. Very large.
They use all
pack.
the chassis in the battery.
And you can see that there on the wall.
Uh-huh.
And that's what we call our skateboard, where the battery sits in the middle and the drivetrains on each axle. We have 4 motors in the vehicle, 1 per wheel. So very precise torque control.
You start this idea in Florida, no?
Originally, and I moved the company to Michigan relatively early in our history. And now we have about 600 employees spread between locations both in California, Michigan, Illinois, and a small office in the UK.
How your idea is in the future created more electric cars and things like that?
Absolutely. So, I mean, we're super excited to see the interest that's now starting to grow around electrification. We think it's really important, for the planet, of course, to transition from using petroleum-based propulsion to, of course, using electrons to propel the vehicle.
And you are going to subsidize also more charging units?
Yep. So we'll have some of our own charging infrastructure, and we'll also have the vehicle's designed with a charging port that fits into the standard infrastructure.
And I can charge also in my house?
Yes. Yep. Charge at your
How
house.
long take to charge in my house?
At your house, it depends on what kind of plug. On a fast DC charging, a direct current charging, you can add 200 miles in about 30 minutes. 200 miles of range in about 30 minutes.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.